Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about purchase supply entry. This program is to enter the complete data of purchase supply activity. This screen is the continuity of purchase order inquiry screen. And in the screen, we will show to you related data of the transaction you already choose before. On purchase order inquiry, we can set the PO date first, click the inquiry, and then we have to choose the data, click select, and then click the purchase supply entry action button. It will move to the purchase supply entry screen automatically. Okay, and then please pay attention on the business unit, supply department, vendor, and all the data that we fill automatically if you come from the purchase order inquiry screen. But please double check on it. And this is the screen. We can see on the column there are some important information on it, like the quantity, the unit price, the amount, and also the warehouse information. And you can also add the lot number if it's required, or set the evidence if it's necessary. So our system support that feature. And please check again the data. Make sure the supply date, quantity, amount, and department are on the right track. And that's the final of purchase supply entry menu. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.